Hey editor, you can't out-edit the algorithm, but you can outsmart the human brain. A few days ago, I was breaking down one of Ryan Trahan's videos, the kind that racks up millions of views and somehow makes time disappear. Within the first minute, I realized Ryan's not editing, he's engineering emotion. Every frame is designed to trigger something specific: curiosity, comfort, tension, release. Most editors chase endless speed ramps and dopamine cuts, but Ryan's pacing breaks rules because it speaks directly to your nervous system. He's not trying to entertain you, he's trying to chemically anchor your attention. If the brain isn't hooked, the cuts don't matter. After studying Ryan's work frame by frame, I found 3 hidden techniques that separate good editors from high-paid editors, and they'll completely change how you think about editing. The first is the power of silence and muffled sound. Most editors blast music non-stop because they're terrified of losing energy, but that constant noise usually burns out the viewer's brain. Ryan muffles the music at key moments so your focus shifts back to the dialogue. It's not random. It's designed to lower cognitive load and make every line hit harder. When you learn to manipulate sound this way, your edits stop feeling like entertainment and start feeling like hypnosis. The second one is intentional imperfection. Ryan switches between crisp 3D renders and janky cartoonish visuals on purpose. The contrast makes him feel human again, even inside a high-production video. That balance between cinematic and relatable is what keeps audiences emotionally locked in. It's the line that no one teaches you to walk, and the reason most edits look mechanical instead of alive. And the third one is, retention means nothing without release. You've probably been taught to hold tension, build tension, but tension only matters when you know how to release it. Those quiet, peaceful breaks aren't mistakes. They're pressure valves. They reset the viewer's nervous system so they can feel the next emotional spike. But if you miss that step, even your best pacing will feel robotic. The editors who understand these principles aren't just getting views, they're getting paid. Because they're no longer just some button pushers, they're storytellers who control emotion itself. And P.S., don't stay the underrated editor for another year. Inside Elite Editor Academy, you'll learn how to edit with psychology, not guesswork, and start closing premium clients 3 times faster than most editors ever will. Y'all have a good one.